Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to sign up or enroll into Humana Medicaid program. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, on your mobile device or PC or laptop, open up any web browser, head on over to Google and then type in Humana Medicaid enrollment. And once you're there, click on to Medicaid eligibility and enrollment. The website is humana.com. This is the official website. And now once you're there, scroll down and then where it says how to enroll. So Medicaid eligibility. Medicaid provides health insurance for millions of Americans. Coverage is open to people who meet income guidelines, qualified families and children, pregnant women, seniors and people with disabilities. Coverage varies by state. So you can apply at any time as it states here, and there's a couple of different ways to apply. So you can fill out an application through the health insurance marketplace. Your state will contact you if you are eligible for Medicaid, generally within a week or so. Apply, or you can apply through your state Medicaid agency. So these other links here you can have a look at as well. But the typical way is to fill out an application through the health insurance marketplace. So if I click onto this link here, and if I scroll down, click on check if you can enroll change, and now it will say find out if you can get health coverage now, and then scroll down a bit here. You can read these tabs as well. Check before you comply, get an idea if you may qualify to get or change health coverage, answer a few questions before you apply. So enter your zip code and then click on check first and go through the process. It's very straightforward from here.